Welcome world, Andy tuning in one more time. Today, I'm not super exhausted, so I hope this video comes out a little bit better. I'm sorry for the low quality of last week's video, but check it out. To start off this recipe, I'm gonna be grating some potato, and yes, we are making hash browns. Today I'm following the Burger Dude's recipe for breakfast burritos. He suggested to peel the potato, but I don't mind it looking kind of rustic in the hash browns. So nothing too crazy. I'm gonna come right back when it's time to get rid of the liquid. I'm gonna be doing something slightly different, but I'll show y'all in a bit. 1 second. Alright squad, check it out, check it out. I'm trying to put the hash browns. This is my cutting board with like I think 2 layers of paper tissue or paper towels. I know, using so many paper materials, supplies, not the best. Check it out, check it out. Let's spread our potato feature fried potatoes right here. Whole lot of starch coming up, whole lot of water. Hopefully we can get rid of that. Alright, do another 2 layers I think of paper towels. And then we're gonna squeeze it out. The Burger Dude, he recommends using a towel. I might try another paper towel, we'll see. Okay, just like that. We're gonna wring it out. And then do the same process. Okay. I never done it before. Check it out. What it looks like. See, it works with the paper towel. Let's see. So, alright, so I'm gonna double the layer. That's how I'm gonna do it. We'll see if this works. Let's see what's the angle looking like that. Over. Hold up. This is my sink. Welcome to my sink. Paper towel, potato. Oh. Get a bowl. Let's see if I can. Okay, it works somewhat. Okay, be back with the finished product. Real quick, I'm gonna show you the progress. A lot drier, not as liquidy. Do a second run of this patty down, and we should be straight after this. Should be good. Alright. Kind of evening out. In the video, the Burger Dude did 1 potato. I'm basically doubling the recipe because I want to meal prep it for the rest of the week. Some people might call it smart, some people might call it lazy. I just call it being efficient. Trying to cook as least as possible times a week. Still eat something good at work. And you know what I'm saying? Stay fed. Nothing wrong with staying fed and keeping focusing on the mission, on the goals. Alright. one more layer. I know I'm wasting so much paper towels. I'm gonna grab some more right now. Truthfully. Okay. Pat that down. In the meantime, I got my pan on medium-high heat. I'm about to fry these potatoes. 1 second. Alright, there's the medium pan. Hopefully it's about medium. Alright. Get some oil. About a tablespoon or so. Make sure the camera's cool. I'm about to fry these potatoes. Alright, get the whole pan covered in oil. Everything smooth, everything. There goes my whole sheet pan of with potatoes to be hash browns. Okay. Alright. In the meantime, I'm gonna be at least cooking this for 6 to 8 minutes each side. Probably more because I did double the recipe. But we'll be back. We'll be back. In the meantime, I'm about to make that salsa I was talking about. Hold up. Alright fam, so I got my basics for my salsa. The Burger Dude just recommended 1 tomato per 2 jalapenos. I'm doing 2 jalapenos, 2 serranos. Yeah, 2 tomatoes, like a quarter of a yellow onion, and 1 garlic, and some cilantro in the background. Yeah, I'm not going for that. Just the basics. Nah, man, you gotta do a little extra. But I've been meaning to make a salsa, so I'm kind of happy this kind of worked out. But you know, nothing wrong with switching things up, taking the template and then just making it you. So right now what I'm doing, which I really don't do, I'm taking out the seeds of the tomato. I normally like this part, but for the recipe I'm trying to follow somewhat to the T. So he said he didn't want it chunky, or he didn't want it super liquidy. He wants the salsa chunky, so it gets on the burrito, and it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. So right now what we're doing, just taking the seeds, all the liquid for the most part, and then we're gonna pat my tomatoes dry. And then he says put them in a processor, but thing is I don't have a processor, but I do got a blender, so we'll be alright. We'll be alright. Okay. So for the ingredients, push this over. Got my handy blender. We got 2 jalapenos. Zoom out just a tad bit. 2 jalapenos, 2 serranos. I would have cut them up, but I mean the blender's gonna do it. I might cut up the garlic though, for real. As it flies everywhere. So it puts the garlic inside the blender. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Garlic inside. Rough chop the onion. So like little squares or whatever. Nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy. Now, what I'm going to do is pat dry the tomatoes before I put them in the blender. I know I'm using so many paper towels for this video. It's unheard of. Alright, pat dry the tomato before it goes in. Just looking for the most of the moisture, not all of it, right? Sadly, I'm not putting no lime juice, but I doubt it will need it. I don't remember my breakfast burritos being so acidic, so I doubt it'll miss it. But cilantro, I gotta have it in my salsa, man. It's crazy. He was saying that the recipe he was trying to mimic from that one taco shop in, what was it, Bancroft? Something like that in Los Angeles. That you didn't have no cilantro, man. It's crazy. Of course he has cilantro. So I'm not even gonna cut it. I'm just gonna 1 shred, 2 shred. I'm good. Cool. Stems and all don't really matter to me. you could opt out with the stems of the cilantro, but I'm gonna come right back once this is blended. I'll show you the results and how good it tastes. All right, y'all. 1 sec. Cool. Cool. Never really know when to season eggs. I just know that I like them seasoned. I think one bottle will make me three burritos. Yeah, I think so. Alright, y'all, here comes the fun part. Here comes the fun part. So we got our tortillas just warmed up so they're pliable. Got my just egg. That's what it turned out to look like. We're gonna go thirds of the egg. See if that works out. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. Place down some of our hash browns. Okay. Okay. Some of our crumbles. We need some cheese for sure. I'm using some Daya. I'm using another brand too. Hold up, show you all that as well. The third tortilla is coming. I might use a fourth because I got plenty. No, we'll see. Alright, that's my egg. A little bit more hash brown. Crumbles. Just some extra cilantro because I'm a fiend for this stuff. Just a tad bit. Okay, got that rolling. And then some salsa inside. This is the fun part. Alright, check it out. It almost came out like a chimichurri, you know? Those Brazilian restaurants, chimichurri. A good dollop, make this nice and spicy. Always you could taper off the spiciness by not adding so many serranos, but I chose to go that route. I'm excited. So it's time to roll up. Wish they were slightly bigger. Okay, one by one. Not the biggest burritos I made, but hey, pretty classic. Pretty classic. There's absolutely no way. Haha. Beautiful little burritos. Hold on, I'll show y'all this. This is what you want to see right here. That's it, y'all. Small little burritos, but hey, effective as they may be. I'll be back once they're charred on the outside, and I'm getting ready, man. I'm hungry, bro. I'm hungry, so I'll see y'all back in a few. Peace. What's good? What's good? It's Andy tuning in again. Scoot this close to myself. Super excited. I got the real spread right now, but focusing on the burrito. Shout out to the burger dude making burritos. That's what it was. That's what it looked like. Kind of small. I went with my local HEB out here in Texas. They only make 9-inch tortillas. I was hoping for 10, but it is what it is. Just means I can't overdo it, you know. So, cheers, y'all. It's good. Not gonna lie to you, it's missing the beans. Growing up, breakfast burritos always meant beans. Pinto beans refried. With some cheese in there. Ooh. Taste the sweetness from the maple syrup in the crumbles. Now, I did put some salsa inside, but you know, gotta try it on the outside. See what it do. It's soft, it's creamy. The eggs, I didn't overcook them. The cheese is melted. Good stuff. The cilantro definitely brings out a freshness, a zest. Reminds you of the chimichurri, not just the look, but actual freshness inside the salsa. It was a little hotter at first. I don't know, when I first made it, I tried it, spicy all over the place. But right now, I'm not too heavy. But all in all, I'm happy. Super easy. It's handheld, so when I'm at work, I don't have to sit down and have like a amino station just to eat. Nice and quick. Again, yeah, meal prepping, yeah, it's tough. Did not want to go to the grocery store today. Twice I did, but little steps towards you making food at home could benefit you in so many ways. I'm just kind of starting. I've always been doing this, but different meals each and every week, making it interesting, keeping a variety makes it more interesting, and something that I want to do. I mean, one, because I'm interested in cooking. That's why I show myself, making these things, putting things together, and doing the review. But yeah, man, not enough talking. I'm super hungry. Thank y'all for watching. Peace.